Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So few minutes ago, I tried hard to install Google Chrome in my laptop. So I have the problems. I couldn't do it. So I found the solution. And then, if you like it, please share the video. Then the other people can. It can be useful for other people whom they have the same issue. So. First we go to Reddit and we look for high key local machine. Then we go to software here, software, and then we look for Google somewhere here. So please delete this field, supprimer, delete this one. Then once you did it, go please again to here, put percent data up local, sorry, we got data local up data. You will get in this field, then delete Google. So once you did this, go back again to here, so where you downloaded the Google Chrome software, then start installing it and it will work 100% correctly. So I had the same issue before and now I am in, so I hope it will be useful for you. This video will be useful for you, so please, if you like it, so share, subscribe and like, and so have a good evening. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.